This is the voice of Mahatreya. Welcome to discover a new you. Wishing you most and more.
Can you please describe the truth of life in few simple words? Prem, Sat, Chit, Anand. Prem, love. God is love and God created all creation with that one energy called love. So the best version of yourself is the lover in you. Prem, Sat, the law of impermanence. Everything that begins, including this live session, 8 minutes from now will end. Your life began, it will end. My life began, it will end. The pandemic began, it will end. 2020 began, it will end. Everything that begins will end. This is not to have a pessimistic outlook towards life, but it's to make yourself so supercharged in life, saying that now that I know everything is going to end, before it ends, I'll give my best to everything. So if I have 7 minutes left, let me completely do justice to these 7 minutes in my interaction with you. If I'm going to be only for 1 hour with a person, that 1 hour, let me give myself completely to the person. Even if it's the last working day in an organization from where I've served my notice period, let me give my best even today to whatever I do. Anything that begins will end. So before it ends, I want to give my best to it. I need to give all of myself to it. Chit, consciousness. Of all the creation, man alone can be self-conscious. An elephant doesn't know it's an elephant. A cheetah doesn't know it's a cheetah. The sun doesn't know it's a sun, and earth does not know that it's rotating on its own axis 24 hours a day for 365.25 days. It does not know this. Man alone knows man. You know you are you, I know I am I. You know you've asked a question, and here I am answering that question. And here I am answering that question. So the power of self-awareness is man can analyze his own experiences and improve himself. He doesn't need anything outside of him. The power of self-awareness. That you're never a stranger unto yourself. You never let a moment of life pass by you without you being aware. That's why when I read a question, I can't see the camera. When I see the camera, I don't read. I will not do 2 things at a time. I want to do 1 thing at a time, and I want to do that 1 thing totally, completely. Did we learn? Undivided attention is devotion. Anand, limitless bliss. Nothing needs to be added, nothing needs to be removed. The very fact that the greatest of all the creation is a human being, and you and I have been created as a human being, recognizing that you and I are the greatest of all the creations. When the manufacturer produces a lot of goods, his best is called premium. And here we are super premium. The best creation by the Creator. And just knowing this, that I'm a human being and there is life in this moment in my life is enough to live life within. Nothing needs to be added, nothing needs to be removed. Just this one blessing that you recognize. You don't have to live for happiness, you live your life out of happiness. There are many ways by which I can explain life succinctly. And one of those expressions to your question is life is Prem, Sat, Chit, Anand. And your responsibility is to ensure that you're always centered on Prem, Sat, Chit, Anand. Let the boundaries of your relationship, let the boundaries of your success, let the circumference of your life keep ever growing. But irrespective of how much the circumference of your life keeps growing, a math student will, if you're a math student, you'll know it. To draw a bigger circle, I don't have to shift the center of the compass. I have to only shift the other arm, the center. So no matter how much I grow in life, let my centeredness always remain Prem, Sat, Chit, Anand. I live my life always out of love. I live my life aligned to this truth. Everything that begins will end. So before it ends, I will give my best to everything. I live my life with heightened awareness so that I'm never a stranger unto myself. And I live my life celebrating this glory of being the greatest of all the creations, a human being.